kakatapos lang namin dito sa domestic airport. We got our, mga wristbands and paid. Come on! Kaius! Ready ka na, Kaius?
Pupunta tayo doon. Ayun o. Ayun o, Kaius o.
Nakahanap ng kalaro. Kaius, enough na daw. Pansin niya isa. Nakita ko po. Solo namin yung pool because it's it's Monday. It's kalami lang. Hello! Woohoo! Happy birthday, Kaius! Oh, makainom ka, ah? Ano ba naman ito si Gabi? Wow, shower si Loni, oh!
Massage!
Massage! It's a water massage!
Massage, ha?
Alay, practice ka mag-swim. Paano swim? Dahan-dahan, Gabi. Dadating na mga po si Kaius.
Ah! No, Abby, that's why it's like by me. Yes!
Woohoo!
And I got a spin. Oh my god. Oh.
Ayan ang aming Ito pala, hindi ka nakapag-picture dun sa cleaning tower. Yung aming paligid. Ito na sila. Ayan. Doon kami nagkakain dyan. Ayan, sa tent na yan. Ayan. Ayan yung aming, gamit. Kami lang nagsiswimming. It's 6:30 p.m. Hanggang 8 kami magsiswim. Para makabihis pa. Tapos, by 9, nakalabas na kami. Pauwi na. Yay! So Kaius, are you so happy today? Are you happy today? Oopsies. Are you happy today? Sige. Anong nangyari dito? Pogi naman po niyan. Oo. Nauuntog ka dyan, babe. Kaius. Ahem. I love you. What will you say now? What will you say? What's your message? Yan, okay na yan. Ano yan? Lamig. Ang hangin. Yay! Kaius prayers were answered po. Kasi his prayer was to para daw sa birthday niya, to not be too sunny and not rainy din. Oh. And magandang weather today! Yay! Salamat po. It's just super lamig today. And nice.
Hello!
Say hello!
Hello!
Ano kain niyo dyan?
Chicken.
Tapsilog! Chicken wings!
Chicken legs.
Chicken legs. Parang sa kanya. Hello. Parang lasal pero fried chicken. Ito honey garlic. Wow, sarap. Sila tapos na. Kamusta kayo? Magsisipin lang ulit kami.
Ang sarap ng strawberry shake.
And here's Ducky. Hi, Ducky. Are you learning how to swim?
I can do this on this big pool.
Oh, yabang. Hindi na niya alam. Lumutang na lang. Apakagaling naman yan.
Yabang. Yabang.
Easy peasy.
Wow, easy peasy. Pati dito ka dali sa video ko, dali.
Yabang.
Aha, easy peasy.
Dito, pakita sa mukha mo. Patingin ako ng mukha mo.
I do you up.
Tingin nga, paano easy peasy mo? Patingin easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Sabi mo, easy peasy, dali.
Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done!
Happy ka sa birthday mo, nak?
How about?
Are you happy muna? Are you happy?
Yes. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the.
You hold on.
Let's go too far.
Malalim na dito. Di mo naabot, oh.
Hindi ka na makakaano.
Oh, see?
Hold.
Si mama nga, oh, hanggang dibdib na
I
eh.
can do that by myself.
Oh. Oh, sige. Sige, tingnan
All-
natin. You close your mouth.
Hi, Lodi! Picturean ko kayo! Wow, sumasayaw pa! Wow! Sumasayaw pa!
Dadalhin kita sa malalim, ah!
Kala ko ba don't panic, Kaius? Wow, wow! Galing naman!
Yabang. Yabang.
Uy. Happy birthday, Kaius! Mag-isa sa big pool ah. Mag-isa sa big pool ah. Wow! Ayun, si Dada kumakain dun eh. Uy, wag na! Malalim na dito! Doon ka lang! Sige, kaya mo yan doon. Hello ka! Hello! Is it recording na? Uy, saan ka? Uy! Meron pa isa ka! Easy peasy trick. Oo. Inacting na. Actor talaga. Isa kang actor. Hi, Lodi.
Masad. Yan. Pag-uwi ah.
Gabi na. Say hello. Happy birthday to me.
Hello.
Happy birthday to Kaius.
Malalim.
Pa-picture tayo, di.
Anak, malalim dyan. Malalim.
Picture naman kami, bebe.
Lalim. Oh, no.
Hello. Again. Aray ko, masakit na yung ano ko. Masakit na yung tuhod ko kaka-dakwak dito.
Sige, anak, paggalaw-galawin mo si Kaius. Ay, wow, easy
Ang
peasy.
galing.
Oh, that's easy peasy, ha?
Dito ako sa kabila. Ikakat. Kasi masakit na magdakwak. Wait lang. Yan, nakatayo na ako. Hello. Mainit dito. Doon na lang dito.
You're inside.
Wow. I am the crocodile.
Guys, come here.
Okay. Let's go where are we going? Jollibee?
Malalim na dito.
Okay. Let's go.
Mami, hello. Bye-bye na kayo. Bye-bye.
Malalim, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Lalim, dito lalim.
Kaya salo ka doon, oh. Doon ka.
Hello. Teka, anak mo. Teka.
Come here. Come to Lodi.
Go to Lodi.
Ay, malalim dito.
Malalim, anak.
Close your mouth. Oh, very good. Very good.
Oh, very good.
Very good daw. Oh. Very good daw.
Lodi on the sport.
Okay. I'll watch you.
I love the food and swimming. Thank you po.
Thank you po kanina.
Thank you po for the servant.
Thank you po for the servant. Thank you for family. Dali, isa mo.
Thank you our family.
Dali, mag-face ka naman. I love you. Go.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Is it scary?
No, it's not really scary. It's just a playground.
It's just what? Smile! Happy! Hello!
Hello.
Hello! Look at me! And smile! Look at me! And smile! Saan ka nakatingin?
Yeah, it's. And it puts me a little bit.
Okay, sure. Did you have fun on your birthday?
Yes! It was fun to swimming and some dirty water is so funny.
Anong dirty water? Saan may dirty water?
On the other tub.
On the other tub.
Okay. What thing do we...
How about slide? Have you tried the slide?
Yes, this leg is big.
Okay.
A big leg.
I'm gonna wait for you here. Sige na. I wanna see you. Abo.
This on the ladder
Uh-huh.
and go upstairs to the restaurant
Opo.
and slide.
Ay! Ako yung nahulog. Again. Nahulog na ako sa plant. Sorry. Ako pala yung mahuhulog, hindi yung anak ko. Ayan. Sige, ikaw. Wow, someone came. Okay, here. I'm gonna take a video of you. Slide. Wow, that's fun.
This slide go down on this dirty floor.
On this dirty floor.
And then you can climb on this backpack or deck.
Sige nga, try mo nga mag-climb dyan.
But I can't do it.
Oh, it's so high.
Yes.
How about slide one more time?
Okay. But this house.
How about the house?
Whee!
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hello, Kaius.
Hello, I'm Kaius today.
I'm Kaius today. But tomorrow, hindi kasi Kaius.
I got this playground.
Oh, wow. I'm so happy for you.
Playground on that swimming pool.
Uh-huh.
Amazing.
Oh, wow.
This is a bus party apple.
Wow.
Oh, it has a boom.
It's a bubong.
You can stand up on this
Uh-huh.
and go inside.
Opo.
1 feet and 2 feet, and you can see up there to far away. And
Wow.
see the green sun, red star, lava to me, and blue star, and the lights, and more lights.
The green star and the red star. Uh-huh.
And you can see on this door, you can see Tita,
Uh-huh.
and you can slide on it.
Uh-huh.
Have a 2 hands, and lift your feet here,
Uh-huh.
and go this, hold your hand, and go. Way!
Yay! That's fun.
That's 1 minute to play.
Just 1 minute to play daw.
Let's go. Kaius. Come on.
That's 1 minute to play. That's 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes bigla.
Hello.
Kaius, you want to,
Oh, hello, Tita. I'm hiding. It's because so many. What do today? Are we?
Ano daw?
Hindi ko din na-get.
Ano be?
He was on weather. How could we?
What is the weather?
Yes.
What's the weather?
Is windy day.
It's windy
Uwi na
day.
daw tayo.
And that's on my house.
Oo. Halika na, Kaius. Come here na daw.
No, I don't want to leave this playground.
Pupunta pa tayo sa dark forest. So tara.
No, it's so scary. I want to stay here.
Hello! Goodbye. We're going home now. Ugh. Dito daw sa may heart. Eh, mukhang mga matutulog na kami. Gusto mo, Danny? Video kang kita doon, go.
Mag-ending na lang.
Mag-i-ending.
Na tayo.
May pa-ending.
O, pa-ending. Ayun, may mga heart.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye. We're going home. Good night.
Good night.
Hi, Lomi.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Party's over. Going home na. Hindi ako nakapunta doon sa Kaso.
Kaya nga, hindi tayo nakapunta eh.
Ayun, tingnan mo nga.
Next time daw.
Ayun, tingnan mo siya. Ang ganda oh.
Kaya nga, nag-iiba-iba siya ng color. Yan o.
Wala ba siya witch?
Witch pala yung nasa loob. Ah, di ba? Nag-green na siya.
Kalaban pala yung nasa loob.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Kami ang nagsara ng Torres farm.
Ten. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kaius! Kanta, kanta, kanta! Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Kaius! I love you!
Yay! Walang apoy! Yay! Sarap pa?
Birthday candle.
Birthday candle.
Yes, blow it. Blow it.
Blow it off. Ano lang, pretend ka na lang to blow it. Wow! Malakas yung blow mo. Wow!